The Third Sixth District Court is back in session. We're now live on YouTube, everyone.
That's it. That's your opening. Mr. Worthley, is there any particular order that you'd like me to go in, or is it okay for me to go off the docket?
Whatever you want to do, Judge.
Okay. We're gonna call is it Tavia Bats matter first? Please turn your camera on. Now calling the people versus Tavia Yahini Bats, ticket number SP 1468252, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor, count 2. Expired plates. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
And Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Miss, could you state your name for the record, please?
Tavia Iani Bats.
And Judge, for arraignment purposes, we'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time.
The court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Bats.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have reviewed the documents. She has both insurance and valid registration now after the fact. So we were looking to move for a dismissal for those reasons.
Okay, is it in her name, Mr. Workman, or is it the vehicle?
I believe so.
It's in my name.
Yeah.
Okay, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified that Ms. Bats does in fact have valid insurance and valid plates on the vehicle. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Bats, make sure you're keeping these documents in the vehicle with you at all times, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're free to go. You want me to let you up?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now calling the people versus LaQuinta Jotuan Ben, ticket number SP 1427677, count 1, unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, Miss?
LaQuinta Jotuan Ben.
And Your Honor, this is the day and time set for a show cause. We'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time.
The court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Ms. Ben.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Benz presented valid documentation, both a valid registration and insurance.
Okay, the court has recognized or will recognize that an officer of the court has verified that Ms. Ben does have valid insurance and title on her vehicle or registration. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Ben, keep those documents in the vehicle with you at all times.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Your
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Did we check to see if Mr. Bland had, did we check to see if Mr. Bland had his, I know, but does he have valid license? Okay, are we ready? Who are we ready to proceed on, Mr. Worthley?
Judge, Mr. Braxton was ready.
Mr. Braxton? Okay, one moment,
Yes,
please. One second.
I won't tell you that. I checked.
And my apologies, I did say that I would go based off of the docket sheet, which is next on the docket will be Anthony Bland, now calling the people versus Anthony Earl Bland. Ticket number SP 143-45201, one count of driver's license suspended. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name, please?
Anthony E. Bland.
And Judge, for show cause purposes, we'll stand mute and waive formal reading at this time.
The court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bland.
Thank you, Judge. He wants to waive his rights, Your Honor, and accept the offer to the amended charge of failure to display a valid driver's license.
Is that correct, Mr. Bland?
Yeah.
You had an opportunity to talk to Attorney Workland in the breakout room. Did he advise you of your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty? He coming back.
I'm guilty.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. I'm gonna do this one and then we'll reschedule those other two.
You can.
So turning your attention, sir, to April 14th, 2023, were you driving a 2014 Ford?
Yes.
Were you in the area of Schaefer Highway and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day, sir?
Yes.
When asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so? Did we get a response?
I said, no, ma'am.
Okay. Satisfied, Mr. Worthing?
Yes, I am, Judge.
The court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Bland for failure to display. Mr. Bland, the fines and fees assessed in this matter are $300. Do you need 2 weeks to pay or 30 days?
No, 30 days.
That's August 17th, 2023. You have until that date to make the payment in full. If you haven't paid it in full by August 17th, you do need to appear back here on this same Zoom at 8:30 that morning. You also have a few matters that are in warrant status that you would need to come to the court to present, I believe, some type of, they're gonna collect a fee from you in order for you to lift the warrants that you have.
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Mhm. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You too, Mr. Worthing. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you, Judge.
Yep, gotta teach you. Somebody's just trying to help you. All right, ready on. Mr. Braxton, you can turn your camera on now, sir. Now calling the people versus Xavier Dre Braxton, ticket number SP 1451588, count 1, improper plates, count 2, unregistered, untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
And Werbling P 64889 on behalf of the defendant. Your name for the record, sir.
You're
Mr.
not
Braxton.
on mute, but we can't hear you either. Is your device on mute by any chance? Are you talking through your car phone? No, we cannot hear. Try it again. Try to unmute again. Try.
We didn't have this
No.
problem in the breakout room, Judge, so I don't know.
Okay, what's the plea that you're tendering?
Judge, he has valid documentation for the vehicle with the tags and the insurance now.
So this is only a dismissal?
That was all it was gonna be, yes, Judge.
Oh, okay. We can do a dismissal without being able to hear him. Are you okay with that, Mr. Braxton? Okay. All right, so the court will acknowledge that an officer of the court has verified that you do in fact have current title, plates, and insurance. Therefore, this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Sir, you are free to go. Make sure that you're keeping these documents in the vehicle with you at all times. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Act like he can't hear me. We just can't hear him. Are we done for the day, Mr.
I
Work?